Aaron, what are you doing out here today?
I'm boiling crawfish and drinking beer.
Why are you boiling crawfish out here today, Aaron?
For James Storehouse, a charity for foster kids. Yes.
Okay. What you doing with your hands?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
You're hurting me.
I'm sorry.
I ate too much, so you're making me laugh. It might make me puke.
It's hard not to eat too much out here.
All right, well, this is Aaron. Thank you, Aaron, for me.
Thank you for having me.
The Native Americans were the first people to eat crawfish. They would bait reeds with deer meat and put it into creeks and ponds to catch them. Then, after the Great Expulsion in 1755, the Acadians arrived in Louisiana, coming from Canadian maritime provinces. The Acadians settled along the bayous where crawfish was everywhere in the slow-moving water. They were already familiar with lobster and had contact with the Native Americans, so it led to the introduction of crawfish into the Acadian diet. Then the Acadians became the Cajuns, and the tradition of eating crawfish continued, getting a little bit more popular but still being considered a poor man's food. For most people, crawfish was still considered bait. In 1960, a campaign began to improve the public impression of crawfish. Restaurants began incorporating them on their menus, and dishes like crawfish étouffée became a local fixture. Then, in 1972, Louisiana elected its first Cajun governor. His slogan was Cajun Power, and his symbol was a clenched fist holding a crawfish. In 1983, the crawfish was designated the Louisiana State Crustacean, making Louisiana the first and only state to have a state crustacean. Now the demand for crawfish is so high that roughly 90% of all crawfish is coming from crawfish farms, leading to a 120 million a year industry.
Ooh, that's spicy. Mushrooms are my favorite. Crawfish is only as good as its seasonings, just like lobster. So you have to throw all kinds of things in there. We got mushrooms, garlic, lemon, most importantly the seasoning. Looks like they threw some bay leaves in here. Never had that. We got some big old crawfish. I'm gonna have to eat some of those too. Want to have two hands. We got sausage. I'm not a fan of sausage, but most people like it in there. It gets super flavorful.
You ready? Yeah. Persevered.
We have a dark sense of humor. Star Wars fun.
Hilarious.
Hey, did you like your Wookiee steak? I did, but it was a little chewy. You know how you get between the different floors on the Death Star? You use the elevator. You know how Luke Skywalker eats dinner? Forks. Forks? Alright, I'm done.
That one wasn't very good.
Better when it was a video.
Oh. Hey, I'm Kirsty. Can you hear me? I'm a talking.
I got some big news, guys. We got some big news up here, man. This was a hard decision. First of all, big round of applause for all the teams involved today. And we started off rough, ended up strong, man. Huge, though. It got down to the end, man. Yo, big shout out to the Misfits, man. They won this thing, man. Let's go. Where y'all at, Misfits? Yo, I got Zoom Tech. Woo!
Yeah, Zoom Tech. 2019 Zoom Tech. Crawfish cook-off for charity. want to see the lady.
The Misfits. Where's the Misfits at?
Your boy. Pictures. Right? Now get up here.
If you haven't had any of these crawfish, you tried really good. Excellent job.